Present in many airports around the world for over 70 years, TLD designs, manufactures, and distributes airport ground support equipment. With 12 factories across 3 continents, TLD serves customers in about 170 countries. Our main products include air conditioning units or ground power units, aircraft loaders, and aircraft tractors. In recent years, TLD's offering has been rounded up within Alvest with the acquisition of 𝐬𝐥𝐸 Parts, the world leader of spare parts, and its new entities AES, focused on service, and SAS, with its aviation decarbonization solutions.
At Ardian, we support visionary companies driving innovation and long-term growth. Our partnership with Alvest began in 2017, when we acquired a minority stake alongside 𝐀𝐫𝐝𝐢𝐚, Sagar, and the company's management team.
Ardian had already supported us as majority shareholders from 2006 to 2013. The close and trusted relationship we had built with their teams, combined with Ardian's extensive global network, were key factors in partnering again in 2017. Ardian Co-Investment has been a crucial partner in our development. Despite the challenging economic environment during the COVID-19 crisis, Ardian supported our strategy, most notably by continuing investing to make Alvest benefit from the market recovery.
We worked with Alvest's management team to grow the recurring revenue streams through maintenance, leasing, and product-as-a-service offerings. This diversification has not only made Alvest more resilient, but also uniquely positions the company to support the full life cycle of GSE.
We also successfully supported the management transition and the divestment of Adetec, reinforcing Alvest's balance sheet and refocusing the company on its core ground support equipment activities.
Alvest is at the forefront of technological innovation, developing smarter, safer, and more energy-efficient products. Their strong commitment to environmental responsibility is exemplified by the Leaner and Greener program.
We are pioneers in electrifying ground support equipment. Solutions like TaxiBot help customers and airports decarbonize operations, meeting regulatory and sustainability requirements, which are becoming more stringent. We are also investing in automation with our TruckTZ driverless vehicle platform, already operating at level 4 in many locations around the globe. We believe the adoption of autonomous solutions will accelerate in the coming years, creating exciting growth opportunities for Alvest and its customers. Alvest's success is rooted in a strong corporate culture, focused on quality, innovation, customer focus, and a long-term vision. Ardian's active support has driven this continued development.
Our decision to reinvest in Alvest in 2025 reflects confidence in the company's management team and growth potential. As a global leader in the ground support equipment, Alvest is ideally positioned to capitalize on aviation industry expansion and the accelerating shift toward greener ground handling solutions.
The partnership between Ardian and Alvest shows how strategic investment and visionary leadership drive long-term growth and innovation. We look forward to supporting Alvest and its talented teams as they embark on the next phase with PAI partners.
We are excited to continue our long-standing relationship with Ardian as we enter the next chapter of our growth story.